Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Tuesday the 2nd of August 2022. I mentioned yesterday that sellers had started to wrestle back control of risk assets, in particular cryptos, and that's continued through to today so far. You've seen Bitcoin already take out yesterday's low, Ethereum heading into that key 1550 level that I talked about yesterday. Let's just expand BTC chart for a second whilst we take a look. Bitcoin really tracking and traveling in that up channel continues to do so, and it was no real surprise to see that rejection off the top of the channel. I haven't drawn it on my chart here, but it's a pretty clear trend line that we can see. So pretty much getting to the top of that channel, rejecting off it, and then you've seen 4 daily down bars in a row if today finishes in the red, that is. So it's quite clear that you're starting to see the sellers regain a little bit of control from a technical perspective, also from a macro perspective as well. Again, I've been mentioning overall picture still looks bearish for risk assets, and I'm still not entirely convinced that this move to the upside is the exact bottom in risk, but of course remains to be seen if that is the case and my theory and thesis plays out. Let's just take a look at this Bitcoin chart from a daily perspective. We have taken out yesterday's low. We are trading at the bottom of today's daily bar too, so for all intents and purposes, not looking too great for the rest of today. In fact, I'll probably be targeting from here and move down into that 50-day moving average, the yellow moving average here, and also the bottom of that ascending channel that we've been trading in. And that will come through around the 21,125 handles. So around there, maybe the sellers will be looking to target, and then again, it'll be a nice opportunity to maybe take some low risk longs with some sense that you've got the channel, the moving average providing some support and a decent-ish risk to reward if we had some stops just underneath there. Ethereum currently traveling at 1570. You can see from here we'll be trying to hold on to 1550. If they can't, then a move down into 1280 could be on the cards, and basically taking out that low there that we recently put in at 1350. So if we can't hold at that low, move down into 1281. But firstly, the bulls will try and hold at 1550. Ripple, big rejection on that H4 bar. As you can see, it spiked high, got a big rejection and reversal low of 0.3870. So from here, again, like the other ones, it can potentially be looking to put in a high low, maybe around 0.3545. So you can look for around that area. You can see we did move into there on that H4 bar, this red one here. That's pretty much in line with that high. So probably that level there around 0.3545. And if they can find some support there, it might be a nice time to again look to continue to buy this trend higher. Litecoin, where we at? Well, we can see here overhead $60 is the key handle. So rejection off there intraday so far and a move to the downside. Again, like the other ones that we've just discussed, can it be able to put in a, where will it find its support basically? I'll be looking at this level around about here. We saw plenty of resistance there. If we go back to these 2 spikes on the red, and also around about here, we've seen plenty of support. Resistance. Can that level now become support? You do see that quite frequently, and it's around 56.3 on Litecoin. If it doesn't hold there and we break below this this trend line, which is just starting to form, you can see the higher low, higher low. If we can't hold here, and we move down to this level, it'll be quite crucial that sellers look to really re-emphasize their intentions to move the market back lower to retest the lows and get a break of that one in particular, and make sure there's not another higher low being put in for this trend higher. That's it from my end for today's crypto brief. I'll see you inside the chat room. Till next time, all the best with your trading. Bye for now.